Hey YouTube, I'd like to show you my everyday carry prepper kit here. Fits in an Altoids tin, and what I have. First of all, a little bit of cash, 50 bucks, not a lot. Got a sewing kit here, some black thread, needles, safety pins, what have you. Also buried up in here, not going to show you, my credentials to my Proton Mail email account. Can't have those. To keep stuff from rattling around, I have a bunch of cotton. Double purpose, that cotton serves as a fire starter. I have 2 or 3 strike anywhere storm matches, and these things burn for quite a while, nice and hot. They're waterproof to begin with. I have them in a little Ziploc bag, which is also handy to carry stuff in. I have this multi-screwdriver here that 4 flatheads it looks like, but one of the heads here is actually cut for Phillips. So that's kind of nice to have around. So a lot more of this cotton that I have here is a anti-rattle and fire starter. Fishing line, I think this is about, I don't know, 25 feet or so of 8-pound monofilament. I have a couple of quarters for a payphone. Not that you can find those too often anymore. I have a, looks to be a 1/2 ounce stainless steel, because I don't like lead, fishing weight. Have a length of duct tape. Also handy as a fire starter if need be, but duct tape is indispensable. Have a straight edge shaving razor in here. An emergency whistle. Quite loud, very handy. Have a number 2 Phillips screwdriver, pretty common size. Now wrapped up in a little bit of duct tape to keep from sticking myself, I have a couple fish hooks to go along with this fishing line and weight. I have an extra blood pressure pill because I occasionally will forget that, and nice to have around. I have a small pencil. This also goes with this folded up bit of paper here for important notes. I have a small hacksaw blade. I had some fire steel in here, which I don't have anymore. I need to replace that, but this was used to scrape the fire steel. Also, this little saw blade's nice and handy. Let me turn this on. I have a small flashlight, and believe it or not, single LED. Couple bucks on eBay, but it's reasonably bright. If it's completely dark, you can light the trail. Definitely. I'll turn this on here. Sorry, I don't have a proper configuration for my camera here. I'm just holding my cell phone, but yeah, it's reasonably bright. And it lasts several hours. Now, I'm getting to the bottom here. I'm going to knock this out. And I have a P38 can opener. Definitely something handy to have. And see if I can get this rest of the stuff out here. I have a signal mirror, a little bit dirty here, but I've cut a little spot to see through to actually use it as a proper signal mirror. And last but not least, I have a full set of lock picks, which I do know how to use. If you want to carry something like this, make sure it's legal in your locale, and also make sure to practice with it to make sure you know what you're doing. Having something like this is handy, but if you don't have the practice with it, it can definitely give a false sense of security. I can get into just about any master lock or quick set lock in relatively short order with this thing. And very, very handy to have if you know what to do with these things, and if it's legal in your location. It is in mine. And of course the Altoids tin is nice and handy, and if you needed to use it as a signal mirror, you can kind of polish this up here if you didn't have something better. But that is my everyday carry that I keep on me at all times. Thank you.